The battery pack can power EXO for over 100 days. When it's running low on power, the battery can be removed from EXO and recharged overnight. When removing EXO's battery, first ensure you're in a clean, safe environment, away from any environmental hazards, specifically explosive gases. Power off EXO. Loosen the two self-retaining screws at the top of the battery pack on the back of EXO. This will require a 4mm hex key. Pull the top of the battery pack away from EXO. When vertical, the battery pack will lean away from EXO, allowing you to grip and remove the battery. Lift the rubber flap at the top of the battery pack to expose the charging port. Plug the quick charger into the charging port. The light on the quick charger will be red while charging and will turn green once the battery is fully charged. Remove the quick charger from the charging port. Replace the rubber flap to cover the charging port. To reinsert the battery pack, hold the battery pack at a 45-degree angle with the bottom pointing towards EXO. Place the bottom of the battery pack into EXO's battery slot. Tighten the screws at the top of the battery pack. Ensure they're snug but not over-tightened. In situations where EXO's battery life needs to be extended indefinitely, contact your Blackline safety distributor or sales representative for a list of available accessories.